Hi, I'm Jenny with Sharp. I'm going to be showing you our new inner folder with our BP series. We're very excited about this because it's something we have not had on this work group. So, first one I'm going to show you is many times people have maybe a binder and they have letter-sized pages, but they also have maps, 11 by 17 maps, and they don't want them to hold them up, so they kind of manually fold them in. So what you can do is I can go into Others, and I'm going to first tell it that I have ledger, paper, and letter, so they're mixed sizes in there. Once I go to Fold, I'm just going to tell it I'd like a Z fold. It actually knows what I'm doing, and Start. So when it comes out, the letter and the 11 by 17 will be the same size, so if you're putting it in maybe a binder, you don't have the 11 by 17 that you have to manually fold in. So the way it'll come out is you've got your letter, but your map, I have the ability to just, and then goes back to your letter. The next two folds I want to show you is Z fold and accordion fold. Now, these are done on can be done on letter, legal, or 11 by 17. But if you are doing letter, you actually need a drawer that runs in a landscape direction. So you want to have your paper loaded, what we call letter R. So as soon as you close your drawer, it'll actually say on your paper, 8.5 by 11 R. And the reason that is for that folding. So I'm going to put my original in the exact same direction as that drawer one. And I'm going to choose that drawer. Under Others, we're going to go to Fold, and the first one we're going to do is our C fold. Now, I can decide, do I want to fold outside, inside? So I'm going to show you this one. We'll run about 10. This particular one I told inside, so if I was doing like an invoice, I would want that particular fold. So it actually is going to give me a nice fold. Other style of fold, I feel it would be maybe if you were using a window for an envelope. I'm going to load it in the exact same direction, but I'm going to go to Others, and I'm going to choose accordion fold. What the accordion fold looks like is your name would be here, and it's an accordion fold. So you have the two choices of either the C fold or more of an accordion fold.